Native Clone 23 here. I'm going to be breaking a 2014 Panini Crown Royale box. There should be 2 hits in here, 5 cards per pack, 4 packs per box. Hopefully I pull a Odell Beckham Jr. because he was a rookie in 2014, so let's get into it. The bottom one has a relic in it. Let's get into it. Carson Palmer, a blue Andy Dalton, 153 out of 199. Blue Marcus Joyner, 164 out of 199. Got a pretty cool red insert of Jimmy Graham, Master Craftsman, and a Jason Witten base. Sorry about that. Andre Ellington. Green insert of Marshawn Lynch, Master Craftsman. Ryan Shazier. Red die cut of Carlos Hyde, rookie. And Larry Fitzgerald. These next 2 packs should have the hits in it. Jimmy Jernigan, Knights and Squires, Clay Matthews and Cleo Mack, Joe Flacco, Eric Decker, and a LaShawn McCoy All-Pro Material relic. That's pretty cool. 208 out of 499. We'll start off with a Derek Carr green die cut, Kings Court Vikings, Teddy Bridgewater, Adrian Peterson, and Cordero Patterson, Torrey Smith, Alshon Jeffrey, blank, and a Yawin Smallwood, 11 out of 14. Refractor auto. There's a design in the refractor. Autograph, sticker auto. 11 out of 14. Thanks for watching.